In the heart of the Philippines lies the island of Mindanao, a land of untamed beauty and rugged landscapes. Nestled amidst its verdant valleys and mist-covered peaks are some of the most exhilarating and challenging climbing destinations in the country. From the towering heights of Mount Apo, the highest summit in the Philippines, to the hidden gems of Mount Tulang-Tulang and Mount Kalatungan, Mindanao offers a plethora of opportunities for climbers seeking adventure and solace in nature's embrace. As the sun rises over the lush rainforest and cascading waterfalls, the mountains of Mindanao beckon, inviting intrepid adventurers to embark on a journey of self-discovery and exploration. Each trail tells a story of resilience and perseverance, carved by centuries of wind and rain, guarded by ancient spirits that whisper tales of tribes and civilizations. Join me in this series of highs and lows, conquering different mountains and summits. Before climbing the mountain, we had a ritual with the Higaonon tribe, asking for permission and protection from the spirits in the mountain. These rituals reflect the Higaonon tribe's deep spiritual connection to the land and their belief in maintaining balance and respect with the sacred mountains that hold significant cultural and spiritual importance for them. While preparing for the hike, I weighed my bag, and it weighed
20.
After the final preparation, we then rode a jeep to save time hiking going to the foot of the mountain. Alright, it's up until here. And in a few minutes, we'll start the trail. So we started the hike by 9:20. And time check, it's 9:25. So this will be the first 45 minutes going to the foot of Mount Kitanglad. So let's go. That's good. And we're still here. The tower over there is Mount Kitanglad. And we're still here at the bottom. This is gonna be the roughest 6 hours, I think. Laban! Now we're in the foot of Mount Kitanglad. 6 hours will start here. What the hell? Here comes the stairs. Paano yun ngayon? Diyos ko. Hanggang bewang. Baliw na ako.
kalikasan.
So yeah, laspag na time check, it's 1:27 in the afternoon. Layo pa. Aray! Finally! Diyos ko. Asan yan? Dire? Magudi ay na rin. The trail was the same, pero mahirap pa din. Nahirapan ako sa trail. As in, promise. Diyos ko. Pero babalik ako dito. Babalik. The aftermath. Hello, so we are here in the summit of Kitanglad, and as of now 12 degrees Celsius po tayo, and yeah, I really need to sleep early tonight kasi call time namin 4:30 AM. Yes. And then hindi nyo lang siguro makita dyan, andyan yung landmark ng Kitanglad na kasi yan something true. Namalong na sila. Pinatayan ako ng ilaw. This is what it looks like. Yung mga ano dito, mga cabins. Para lang talaga kami mga sisiw dito.
I want you, I need you, oh God, don't take.
So time check, it's 8:37 in the evening. And there's one thing I was reminded of this climb from Mount Kitanglad to Dulang-Dulang is that, well, my main reason for climbing mountains is for me to have a short break or rest. But what I am reminded of this climb is the literal rest talaga, na yung tulog, having enough sleep. I have been struggling in this climb simply because I lack sleep, and it's very difficult to climb if you don't have enough sleep. So yeah, hopefully I can sleep early tonight. We're going to Mount Dulang-Dulang tomorrow, hopefully. Anyway, just had an activity here in the summit, or here in the bunkhouse, where we just shared our other mountains, the best and the worst mountains that we have been to. Yeah. Rest, guys, rest.
So reminded again of the peace that I have found in the mountains. So, starting to obtain the peace that I wanted. Hopefully no one will destroy the peace that I'm slowly building for myself. So I have decided to end this year with a year-end climb that makes me suffer again. Climbing my own Calvary, carrying my own cross, denying myself, and hoping for resurrection. I don't climb the top, but I know when I go back down in Malaybalay, in our house, in my hometown, things will be different. Tulak tayo tomorrow. So, good night. Good night, guys.
Unang panama ang kulag, no? So,
Guys,
Morning.
taas naman yung kamay. Magsisilhouette shot lang ako. Ano pala si Dimple, no?
Sunrise here in
hospital.
Tanglad.
Taas kamay ha. Yung reach out na winner ang ano.
Paano? Yung parang ganun. Naninigas na yung kamay ko.
I like the way it draws me close, drags me down. 'Cause I'm the part the best around. At what cost? I'm still a clown, and I'm waiting on a sunrise.
Still here in Tanglad. Sunrise.
Something's gotta break, something's gotta give. I hope it ain't my heart, I hope it ain't my will. I'm waiting on a sunrise. They say out there flowers bloom. I heard it from a girl just passing through. She didn't stop to look around.
So I went back.
'Cause if she did, she'd be here
Batteries for me.
waiting on sunrise.
Okay, almost there.
Still searching for a sunrise. Something's gotta break, something's gotta give. I hope it ain't my heart, it cannot be my will. I'm gonna find a place, all that I desire. If it's the last road that I take, till I'm burning in the fire, I'm gonna find that sunrise.
So I'm back here in this place for this view. Hangin. So dito, wala pang sea of clouds. Chase! Papunta na eh.
And I
lakas ng hangin! Time check, it's 8:12. And start na kami to dulang-dulang from Mount Kitanglad. So yes, mamaya I'll show you two of the technical parts in this trail. So yeah, abang-abang lang. So dyan kami galing. Ayun. Diyos ko.
I'm a little bit jealous, I'm a little bit slow, I'm a little bit hurtful, and I don't wanna let it go. No, and I don't wanna let it go. I'm a little bit angry when everyone's around, but I get a little lonely when no one's out.
Second. And it is a 50-meter drop. Talikod. Sige lang, ikuan lang ha. I-guide lang natin mong rope. Tanaw sa mong itumban. Sige boy, go. Eat. Oh, rope, gawas sa rope. Then go to the left. Go to the right, you're right. Buhay na ng rope boy. Okay, hold. Balik sa rope. And ano yung binaba ko? Eto, oh. Hindi makita, pero yeah. Yes po, opo. Rest lang muna kasi ang sakit pa ng paa ko. The trail goes on and on.
Sana bala ito yung ati.
Maybe when I get older and I'm in the ground, the weight's off my shoulders, it was bringing me down. I've never been that lucky, I've never tasted fame. I'm always looking for something, but I hate changing.
Sure. Ako pwede. Unending assault. And then the third rope section. My God. Laban. The last rope section and the most difficult one. Oh my God.
Dili ligya sa batoy sapatos. Sibog dito, bro. Right. Ya. Plus target.
Konting tiis na lang. Summit na. Summit na sa wakas. Aray. Alright. Summit 231. Congrats.
Wait, sinong bad fish sa inyo, guys? Mana? Sinong bad fish sa inyo? Ha? Sinong pan sa inyo, diver?
Sensi. Check 6 or 7. Yeah. Dinner served. Lagi. Kung pwede lang sana. Dagan good pa na.
tahimik at payapang mundo. Bumubulong ang kagubatan, lagasgas ng ilog. Tumutulong
My knees are hurting.
at hinahanap na tayo ng kalikasan.
Palabas na lang sa forest area.